We'll guide you through how to add a contact to favorites on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so what I want to do is go and add a contact or multiple to favorites. I find this really convenient because then what I can do is I can go and have my iPhone on a mode like Do Not Disturb, which is silence notifications, but I can add the exceptions to my favorites. And so they'll still ring and message, but others won't. So I'm going to guide you through how this can be done. So to go and get started, we want to go and find the phone app. So you can go and find that at the bottom like so. It's also really convenient because if you commonly go and call them, like maybe your parents, a partner, your children, you can easily go and access them and quickly go and dial them. So what you need to do is at the bottom, we want to go along these different options. You may have noted there used to be an option for favorites, perhaps it's now gone for you. We're going to guide you through how you can still go and do this though, don't worry. So what we can do is we can come to the bottom and go and find the option for calls. Now in here, I currently have any recents because I cleared them just for this video, but your recent calls would appear here. Then you can go and press edit in the top left and you can go and find the option for add favorite and you can go and tap there. Your contacts will open up and you can go and choose who you want to go and add to your favorites. And I'll go and then select, for example, this contact at the top. You can choose what you want to add here. I'll expand call and then press phone there like so. Now we've gone and added them. Of course, I could then press the plus in the top right and I can go and add more as well. So I'll go and keep repeating that just for the different people I've got here and I'll press the number and then they are. Then you can press a tick in the top left and you've then gone and successfully added them. If you like going and having the favorites tab in the bottom, you can still go and get the back if you want to. You can go to the top right and go and press on the three lines, which is the filter button. And then you can go and find classic. Then as you can see, we've still got favorites in the bottom left and you can go and select that there and go and get them back if you prefer using it that way. And of course, you can then press the plus in the top right and go and add more. So you can go and do this the different ways. Otherwise, it will send in recents if you go and have the unified view. So if you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We post videos like this every single day. So I'm sure we'll be able to go and help you again in the future.